Jiangmen Art-Dynasty Furnishings Co Limited was established in 2010. It specializes in lighting, art decor, and furniture. With more than a decade of development, we create two brands. They are Art-Dynasty and O-Art. Both brands are the leading brand in our domestic market and are popular with the people. And our company covers about 15,667 square meters with factory building of 5,000 square meters. The exhibition hall covers about 2,250 square meters, and it could be divided in three parts. We have passed the CEUL compulsory standard. Further, we're a company which gives our customers one-stop service and application proposal. There is a professional team in our company to provide the clients in customized way. We will provide matching furniture, decoration, and application proposal according to the needs of our customers. Our luxury and elegant lamp, decoration, and furniture could be widely used in hotels, clubs, villas, mansion, venues to provide customers with luxury product. Because of the quality assurance of our products, we also attract a customer including real estate companies, design companies, and other well-known merchants. In one word, we adhere to the policy customer-centric, seeking win-win of company and clients. We keep on cooperating with clients as pragmatic approach and innovate idea.
We can provide all kinds of lamps, furniture, home decoration products which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.